a step-by-step guide to starting your own e-commerce store. In the digital age, e-commerce has become a vital component of the global economy, with millions of people relying on online shopping for their daily needs. With the growth of e-commerce, starting your own online store has become more accessible than ever before. However, it can be a daunting task to get started without any guidance. In this video, we'll provide a comprehensive guide to starting your own e-commerce store, step by step. From choosing your products to building your website, we'll cover all the essentials required to launch your online business successfully. We'll start by discussing the importance of market research and identifying your target audience. Next, we'll guide you through the process of selecting your products, establishing a brand, and developing a business plan. We'll also cover the legal aspects of starting an e-commerce business, such as registering your company and obtaining the necessary licenses and permits. Once you have all the groundwork laid out, we'll then move on to building your website. When considering starting your own e-commerce store, it is crucial to conduct thorough market research to identify your target audience and their specific needs. This step is essential for establishing a successful business that caters to the demands of your potential customers. Start by analyzing the existing market and identifying underserved niches or opportunities for improvement. Once you have identified your target audience, focus on understanding their preferences, pain points, and consumer behavior. This information will allow you to tailor your products and marketing strategies effectively. Remember, a deep understanding of your target audience is the foundation for creating a successful e-commerce store. Remember, when starting an e-commerce store, it is important to select a reliable platform that can cater to your online store needs. Look into the features provided by different platforms and choose one that suits your business requirements. Once you have selected a platform, register and create your account. Follow the step-by-step instructions provided by the platform to set up your online store. This includes selecting a design template, uploading your products, setting up payment gateways, and configuring your shipping options. Ensure that your store is user-friendly, visually appealing, and easy to navigate. By following these steps, you can create a professional and secure e-commerce store that attracts customers and drives sales. Always keep in mind, starting your own e-commerce store can be an exciting and rewarding venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. A step-by-step guide to starting your own e-commerce store should include choosing a niche, selecting a platform, setting up your store, and optimizing your website for search engines. However, one crucial aspect that often gets overlooked is developing a marketing strategy to promote your products and drive traffic to your store. A solid marketing plan should include identifying your target audience, creating compelling content, leveraging social media platforms, and implementing effective email marketing campaigns. By focusing on these key strategies, you can increase your online visibility, attract more customers, and ultimately achieve success in your e-commerce venture. Another crucial aspect is to establish a payment gateway and secure checkout process to ensure customer trust and safety. This involves selecting a reliable payment processor that accepts various payment methods, such as credit cards and PayPal. You should also incorporate SSL encryption to secure sensitive information and reassure customers that their data is safe. Additionally, implement fraud detection measures to prevent fraudulent activities and protect your business. By prioritizing these critical steps, you can launch your e-commerce store with confidence and ensure a positive customer experience. Lastly, monitor and analyze your store's performance, adjust your strategies as needed, and continuously improve customer experience. By following these steps, you can establish a thriving e-commerce business. To conclude, starting your own e-commerce store may seem daunting at first, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can set up your online store with ease and begin your journey as an online entrepreneur. Remember to stay adaptable and open to learning, as the e-commerce landscape is constantly evolving. With dedication and hard work,